But remember what they did? It's only. Hey, God loves us. He wants us all to be free and happy in life. He also wants us to worship Him and do good. Our world is full of trouble. God has promised to take good people to a world that is free of trouble. In that world, there will be plenty of food.
But what did you say? In that world, there is no death, no war, no hunger, no hunger and no sickness. After which was what? There will be plenty of food. There will be plenty of food. See, my question is, if there is no hunger in heaven, the kingdom of heaven was given, else you will not enter it. You say in heaven there is no hunger. There will be plenty of food there. It may be said, or can be in heaven, and there plenty of food in heaven. Yet they you see the brainwash? Have you not seen the brainwash I'm talking about? So why will you come right to them as reporter? We are to teach them mining, how to mine, to train them to be engineers. We are teaching them this. That in heaven, we are teaching them this. That in that world, there is no death, no war, no hunger, and no sickness. There will be plenty of food. There will be plenty of food. Everybody will be happy. Yeah.
Class 3. And then the other way at the show trip.
Religious and moral education for primary 3. Oh, no sound. The second paragraph. God created mankind from the dust. He created man and woman. Stop brainwashing our children. Take that letter out of the acronym. Not religious and moral education. We want moral education. Moral education. So the book is saying that it is said that all humans are created equal. You ever check it? So you're equal. Numbers chapter 12 verse 6. You ever check it? Say you're equal. Verse 6. And the Lord said, now here, what I have to say. When there are prophets among you, I will reveal myself to them in vision and speak to them in dreams. It is different when I speak with my servant Moses. I have put him in charge of all my people Israel. So I speak to him, says Moses. Yes, verse 8. The God is saying, say, if there is a prophet among the people of Israel, he will speak to them in vision or in dreams. He will not do anybody the way he treated Moses. For Moses is his servant. So, are the people of Israel created equally with Moses? No. Moses is greater than they are. Let me add this one to it. Moses, according to the Bible, is greater than Jeremiah, Isaiah, Ezekiel, Daniel. The Christians are saying that Jesus is a prophet. If Jesus is a prophet, then Moses is greater than him. Moses is greater than the prophet Muhammad, according to the Bible. And the textbook is also saying that it is said that all human beings were created equal. You can wait. There has never been a prophet in Israel like Moses. Deuteronomy chapter 34, verse number 10. There has never been a prophet in Israel like Moses. Isaiah, is it like Moses? No. Isaiah, and then start Moses. Jeremiah, Jesus, yes. Eh? If we are all created equal, are you then a Moses or you're greater than Isaiah? Or you're then a Moses is different from Joshua and all those people? So you see, even the Bible itself has a lot of trouble. We have a Bible grammar. And we are teaching the children these things. Instead of us to teach them agriculture, instead of us to teach them engineering, computing, Teach them philosophy, how to think fast. Anyway. You quit. You could pay 32. You could have your. Wait. This one. Method. I bought it someplace. That's a Christian guide. That's no problem. I'm not going to you. Oh, come on. I get trouble getting. God is a spirit. We cannot see him with our naked eyes, but he sees us all. All of us are God's children. All of us are God's children. Remember also what should be. Page 32.
Waiting for the God to come and help them.
The self-acclaimed God people, the chosen people, they work day and night. They work day and night. That is why I am saying that the person who wrote this book and then the fourth or comment they know. So when he's writing the book, making mistake, he doesn't know. So he's not a hungry person. He's not an angry person, but he becomes unconscious of what he's writing. Right? What do I say? So the book says all of us. I say all of us are God's children. All of us are God's children.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. His only begotten son. Nti Peter bra onye Nyankopon ba. Peter onye Nyankopon no ba.